Either way, it's a beautiful thing.
It is.
I know.
It is really cool to see them feeding each other like that.
And we just see this all the time. Every time they come there to feed, he does that.
He hull it before he feeds.
He is. That's what he's doing.
Well, that was, I saw her spit a hull out there.
Oh, well, he didn't get it totally done.
Well,
That's an object
they need
lesson.
to talk.
I kind of explained that to him. Here she comes. Oh, no, she's over there.
Now she has come.
Come on, Dad.
She has come by herself.
There she comes. Look, look.
Yeah, she's coming over there too.
We're all staying with it's a female that is
Yeah, we
feeding
just
still.
go back there and get more.
Diane, you know, you're so logical. So logical. Feeding the baby. You know, that is so cool.
It could be still.
Wouldn't the mom feed the baby?
No,
They
they both.
both
They
do.
both, he's giving you a kiss.
They both do.
So we never see the mom then.
They would both do it. He
Look,
would
here
probably
she
be-
comes. Oh, Dad.
And that bird has a big crown.
The screen's on this side, so you want to stay in the glass.
Maybe.
The female.
It does have a bright orange beak though.
I want to hear you sing.
Okay.
Jim, I'm pretty sure I took the bird look out of the car. I needed to know.
Want to hear a song about tuna fish ice cream?
The day I take it over.
A song about
I
tuna fish
can't
ice
wait to
cream.
get my nose. I'll have to show you. And,
Yeah, but I want to hear
Then just
the.
write a song about tuna fish ice cream. I can if you want me to.
And,
Oh, there!
because at first they were not eating from that.
You gonna go with the song?
Yeah.
Because they said
got
that
senior
the
pictures
cardinals
taken.
like a covered area to eat
Yeah.
and a wider rim to stand on. So
Well,
and I,
yeah.
but
When you
now
send
they
out
go
your
there all the
card.
time.
Yes, they do.
When I get the
But
pictures,
the one that we got will have a wider one and
The
it has a
guy,
hood
um,
over it.
I'm gonna get them to me before the first week of June is over.
Cause the female's over there.
No, I don't wear jewelry.
Oh, they're kissing.
I honestly think
Oh,
that's.
there.
Do you?
If
A
the money that I
juvenile?
would spend on
Yeah.
thing, you could feed like
But it
50
may
starving
not be,
kids.
but I.
Is it a wing
Huh? That's a
No, no,
yeah.
no.
Yeah.
Okay, Jordan, we're ready.
Yeah, it's over here.
Which